Signature Performance was founded in 2004. It's a healthcare administrative company. We serve both the private and public sectors for the payer and the providers.
We provide IT services to our clients, as well as process improvements and revenue cycle management.
Our mission is to drive down healthcare administration costs to better serve the healthcare community. Our government client had challenges with claims backlogs due to antiquated technology and due to legislative changes.
Our government client is working off of old, outdated systems. The system did not support efficient processes, lacked any real automation, and as a result required a lot of human manual intervention.
A lot of errors, a lot of backlogs accumulated due to that highly manual effort. The business outcomes our clients were looking for were increased payment timeliness, increased accuracy, better security, better reporting, and increased visibility into the process of claims processing for customer service.
To meet the needs of our government client, we needed to provide a more secure, robust, cloud-hosted system that provided speed and auto adjudication of claims. We had to provide a very robust reporting, dashboarding, analytical capabilities within the system. The government client has very complex requirements that the system had to support.
We were looking for a solution that was modern, highly configurable, rules-based, and had advanced reporting capabilities.
We've implemented the Claims XM using Facets as our platform. It has a data-driven approach that streamlines administrative tasks and improves claims processing. The platform is easily integratable into other solutions, including EHRs, and it overall allows all customizations for our client.
Bottom line is we want to ensure the timely and accurate payment of healthcare claims to ensure our clients' beneficiaries receive access to high-quality care. After implementing Claims XM, we have seen our auto adjudication rates for our clients go from 60% to 94%, which reduced their backlog of claims.
This translates to 30% more claims being paid on time, ultimately, which results in improved provider satisfaction.
We are so honored to have won many awards associated with this implementation and grateful for our partnership with Cognizant. They have been extremely flexible, adaptable, and have really been truly instrumental in ensuring that we could implement this system on time, and more importantly, that when it went live, it worked appropriately.
We view Cognizant as a very strong strategic partner. They work side by side with us during this very complex implementation, helping us evolve and translate our government clients' need into the system that it is today.
We consider Cognizant a partner, not just a vendor. And it's been an amazing adventure with them.